Have you ever thought about the challenges faced by astronauts while going to space? Well, here's a challenge for you. Let's give it a thought. Whenever any astronaut goes for an extraterrestrial walk, it is important that his vitals are maintained at an optimum level. It is important that the mission controllers are able to see the vitals of that astronaut.
So now that we know the problem, let's see what we can do about it. So we have planned on designing a special spacesuit which will be embedded with certain important sensors like pulse rate, SpO2, BP sensors, etc. These would be connected to the small screen on the arm of the astronaut so that he can see his vitals. Furthermore, we have planned to connect these sensors with a communication device like a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth which will relay the data to the space station. Also, this data can be transferred to the Mission Control Center in Earth using the built-in communication system of the International Space Station.
This will help in real-time monitoring of the various body parameters and vitals of the astronauts so that immediately corrective actions can be taken to avoid risking the life of the astronaut. For example, in case of a leakage in spacesuit, the pressure as well as oxygen level will fall, so the SpO2 sensor can inform the mission control. Now that you have seen our idea, you must be thinking, what's the use? Well, if this is invented successfully, it can help astronauts from all across the globe to navigate and explore the unlimited space in a way that's better and safer.
I hope that all of you liked our idea and it added some value to your life. Thank you for your patient listening.